Want to do your Nicehash taxes fast? Simply import your transactions securely into Koinly and let Koinly calculate your staking, your capital gains and losses, and more, accurately and easily. Before we jump in, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not tax, financial, or legal advice. Also, the examples I mentioned might not exactly match your situation. So as always, speak to a qualified professional if you're looking for tax advice. Hello, my name is Nelly, and in this updated video, I'm going to show you how to do your Nicehash taxes. Nicehash was founded in 2014, which makes it a pretty old platform in terms of cryptocurrency years. It is mostly a platform used for mining and specifically Bitcoin mining. But if you're making sweet gains with Nicehash, you gotta pay taxes. So Koinly is your crypto tax calculator that can help you do your Nicehash taxes fast. Now, in order for Koinly to calculate your tax liability, you simply need to import all your transactions into Koinly, which is super easy. Okay, so first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, don't panic. You can sign up and follow along until the very end for free. And then once we have that set up, whether you've just created an account or you just logged in, go into your wallets area and click on Add Wallet. We're gonna type in Nicehash, and there it is. So we have two different options. We have the setup auto sync, which is the recommended one, and then we have the import from file. So I'll start off with the setup auto sync. Two small notes before we get into the procedure. So one is mining fees before 2021-03-01 are not provided by the Nicehash API, so you will need to import those manually. And then the last one is you need to grant all view permissions when creating an API key. Okay, so we're looking for the API key, the API secret, and the organization ID. So we're gonna go into Nicehash, and in the top right corner, we're gonna click on our profile icon, then we're gonna go to My Settings. So once we click API keys, we actually see our first piece of information that we need. There is our organization number. So let's copy and paste that into Koinly, and then let's continue. So let's click on Create New API Key. We're gonna give it a name, something like Koinly, and then we're gonna go through all of these permissions. So wallet permissions, view balances, wallet activities, and deposit addresses, yes. Withdraw funds, no. Whitelist, new. Withdraw address, no. Make payments, we're not interested in that. Then we move on to the marketplace permissions, view hash power orders, yes. Manage hash power orders, no. Manage hash power orders, no. Manage pools, we're not interested in that. We're only looking for the permissions that are going to help us view the information. We're not actually interested in touching any of the funds. So exchange permissions, we want to click on view exchange orders. Then we want to click on view and trade. And then we want to go to mining. We want to click on view mining data and statistics. And then under user management and security permissions, we just want to see view users. So as you can see, we've selected all of the view options. We are interested in viewing all the information, not moving it, touching it, trading it, anything like that. So make sure none of that is selected. And then scroll on down and select the Generate API Key. So once we've clicked that, we'll be asked for a password, and then we'll be given our API key and API secret. So whatever that is, copy and paste it and click Secure Import. Okay, so that's one way to get your data. Now the second route is the import from file. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, so we're back in Nicehash. We're looking for those reports. So we're gonna click on our profile icon in the top right corner. Then we're gonna click on My Settings, and then we're gonna scroll on down and select Reports. And then from here, we have an option that says New Report. From here, we want to make sure a few different things are selected. So under transaction type, we want to make sure all is selected. For the currency, obviously the one that you are dealing with is the one you are looking for. So just for example, I'll put Bitcoin. For fiat, we're going to select what we're dealing with. For me, it's going to be, where is it? The British pound. So then we're going to go on down, and then we're going to go time aggregation. We don't need to worry about that. And then we want to select a start date and an end date. And make sure to select a start and end date that will cover your entire transaction history. So that's very important. If I was dealing with, let's say this year, I would just go with January 1st till today's date. And then I would select the time zone that I'm in. So whatever that is, make sure that's appropriate for you. And currently the status is processing. So once it's ready, you can download this report and simply drag and drop it into Koinly. And there you have it. Once you've imported your data, regardless of which method you've used, you can head over to the Transactions tab. Just double check, make sure everything is sitting correctly with you. If you have any types of staking, make sure you've tagged stuff correctly. So send to pool, send from pool, and stuff like that. Okay, if you've traded on other exchanges and wallets, which you probably have, you're gonna wanna repeat this simple process and connect them all. And luckily, Koinly integrates with over 800 platforms. And if you ever need a hand, we upload new integration videos weekly. So now with all your transactions imported into Koinly, we are able to view all your crypto transactions to accurately calculate your capital gains, losses, and income from crypto. This also includes DeFis, airdrops, staking, etc. If you have done any staking or liquidity providing, then you may need to tag those transactions manually. And like I mentioned earlier, I will leave a link to our staking and liquidity videos down below and in the top right corner of this video. Okay, now you can head over to the Koinly reports page and you can see how your year stacks up with a free summary showing your crypto totals for the year. The summary is awesome, but to officially file your taxes, you're gonna need a lot more detail. So now for the best part. Koinly produces a stack of cryptocurrency tax reports that cover your year's activity in great detail. This includes calculations and totals that line up with how the taxman wants it. We support over 1 million investors around the world with reports like the IRS Schedule D and Form 8949, plus a report for TurboTax, Tax Act, the UK, Australia, Canada, France, and a complete tax report for just about everyone else. Simply buy a plan from Koinly and download your report. You can file your taxes yourself, or if you work with an accountant, you can share it. Or you can even invite them to your account to Koinly. Lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this report might be deductible. I will leave a bunch of resources down below if you need further assistance with our product. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or on our forum section where our users and Koinly support team are ready to jump in.